Hey you two, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the second COVID test kit that I received for free from USPS. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then unbox this to see if it's the same product. So this kit is different from last time. Last time the other kit was made in China, and some of the viewers saying that if you got a flu or you got sick, and somehow that thing is test positive for COVID, but I'm not sure if that's true or not. So anyway, this is a rapid COVID antigen self-test. Seems like this one is made in USA. Go and then check it out. And this test kit is for 4 people. Seems like there's liquid into the tube. But here's 5 test tubes, so and here's the instruction. It says wash your hand, gather material. You gotta prep. You got the tube, tip, tube holder, which is the box, and test device pouch. Got the stereo swab and timer, which is not included. So step 1 is to place the tube in the tube holder, and then you're gonna open the tube, open swab. So make sure you're doing this procedure. And don't touch the cotton with your hands. So you're gonna swab both nozzles, 1/4 to 3/4 inch. Doing that like for 5 times. So you're gonna do that 5 times on each nose, and then go to the other nose or the nostril. And you're gonna place a swab in the tube, just like that. And then you're gonna time it for 1 minute. And you're gonna remove the swab from tube. After 1 minute, take the tube out of the top holder. As you remove the swab from the tube, squeeze the swab tip several times from outside of the tube. Try to release as much liquid from the swab as possible. Dispose the swab in the trash. And then you're gonna insert tip, and then cap it, and you're gonna open the test device. will show the result windows. Gonna add a 4 drop of solution into the sample well. Label S on the test device. Adding more or less than 4 drop of solution into the sample well may result in incorrect result. And start time for 15 minutes. Do not move the test device. Keep on a flat surface. And after that, you're gonna read the test result. Test result at 15 to 20 minutes. And here's what's it gonna show. And if this is negative, if you test negative, you will only show a red line on the C. Or it could be invalid. You'll be showing over here. Why is this in Chinese? I'm not sure. Is this made in China or what? So here's 5 of the cotton swabs. And then 5 of the test kit. So I guess this is for 5 people, not 4. Huh? How come this? Somehow I got 6 stick. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.